Okay, in the video tutorial, this time, I will explain. Still around. PivotTable. In this video, there's some I want to make clear. On this PivotTable, the first, I will try to discuss how to update his PivotTable after friends change this table. The contents of this table we change. PivotTable should also change. I give an example like this of item zone west. The sales amount is 120. I'll turn it to 180. After I change like this, I pressed enter. Then in his PivotTable, item the zone is western. Not changing. Fix 120. How to change. The way is pretty easy. Guys, just click on the section. The amount of these sales. This one, right click. Then select refresh. Then she will change. Item Western zone. It changed, according to what we changed in this table. Then the total will also change. Well, that's the way. Then in order to make it easier, the guys, to read this PivotTable, here write item we don't know what month. Just here the zone. I want to add the month on each of these items. Then I just pull the month of Rose. Why did you go to Rose? Because she was on Rose. On the Rose means we pull this month here. Well, like that. Then if we click this plus sign, then the month will appear like this. So, it's easy to read them. Item A, January. The zone. South, and the number is 435. The sale. If we look here, January, zone. The item A, zone is south, then the same for 35. That's the way that are discussed in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.